Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. In today's video I am going to clean the K&N air filter after a few hundred kilometers, because I do feel a loss of power. And because I bought this air filter for the sole purpose of being able to clean it. Okay then, so let's start by removing the air filter housing. To do that you will need to take out 4 screws. If I remember correctly, they are 8mm. So you will need the socket and a long adapter to be able to reach the last screw. You can do this by hand, but I prefer to use my drill. Anyway, you might want to remove the mass airflow sensors plug so you don't accidentally damage it in the process. And after that you can just take out the air filter as you would normally. So yeah, let's inspect it. Well, it isn't that dirty, but it is pretty dirty and full of bugs. You can say it's buggy. I'd say you can turn it around and use it for a few thousand more kilometers, but that's not the purpose of this video. So to clean the filter you will need a cleaning kit that is sold separately and has 2 bottles, one with oil and one with this cleaning solution. And you have 4 simple pictures with instructions on how to apply the cleaner, wash the filter, dry the filter and apply oil. I'd say it's pretty straightforward. I don't know why the hell I'm making this video, but you know, I need the views and the YouTube money. So just spray the cleaning fluid on the filter both sides. I covered the whole filter with it. After that I took it into my apartment and washed it with simply water under the shower or something like that. Oh, by the way, if you do that, there's this reddish oil that is going to come out of it and your whole bathtub or shower will be full of this oil. 24 hours later. So I went ahead and left it to dry about 24 hours. Let's not forget, after it is cleaned it becomes like a grayish color, so that means you need to add some oil to it. So yeah, I'm showing over here the airflow. Based on that I would add more oil to one side and less to the other, but I kinda sprayed both sides with oil and yeah, let it to dry for 10 minutes. After that I started the car and it worked pretty well. I went ahead and exaggerated a bit with the oil, but I guess that doesn't hurt. Oh yeah, and before you add the oil, make sure the filter is completely dry and bug free. By the way, you can use some gloves to protect your hands from the oil. But because I'm highly trained Romanian mechanic, I do not think that oil will affect me. So if you're happy with the quantity of oil on your filter, go ahead and place the filter back in the housing and reassemble everything. Make sure it sits properly and you don't accidentally crush the gasket. So now there are only 2 things remaining: reassembling the filter housing and plugging the sensor back in. And don't forget to note the kilometers that you change the filter, so you know about how much can you use the filter before it needs to be cleaned. And using the magic of editing, we're done. Thanks for watching and have a great day.